Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love shrimp, I love rice, I love basil, so I decided to put this together, this shrimp and basil fried rice, perfect midweek meal. You can do it up in no time. You're gonna love it, so let me walk you through it. First up, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to a preheated pan, followed by 3 cloves of chopped garlic, just to keep the vampires away. Then we're just going to saute these until it's fragrant. Then we're going to add in 15 to 20 shrimp, and these are peeled and deveined. And I'm going to pepper these up and just kind of stir them around just until they change color. What you want is something like this, and that's just about perfect. You don't want them overdone or they're going to be like rubber. And now I'm going to add in 3 cups of pre-cooked rice. I did this last night, and you can use the rice of your choice. And I'm just going to give this a toss until the rice is heated through. Next up, add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and we're just going to give this a toss again until it's nicely coated. This smells and looks so good. Last but not least, 10 to 12 basil leaves. And of course we're going to give this a toss, and then we'll kill the heat. And there you have it, guys, our shrimp and basil fried rice. Absolutely delicious. So let's do a taste test here. Just incredible. The rice is good. Love the shrimp, love the basil. You gotta do this for sure. For this recipe, scoot on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.